All right, I got all the A-arms taken off. It wasn't hard. Just take off the front bumper and the back bumper. So I kept pretty much the screws together that go with this, and then the screws together with this, and then you got to clean it up. A lot of dirt back there when everything's on. This is the A-arm that's broken, so I'm going to replace that. I noticed this shock has a little bend to it. I'm going to straighten it out a little bit, and then I got to purchase some more shocks, but I'll do that later on next week or so. So I'm going to get all this stuff together, and I'll start working on that, and I'll shoot that video. Alright, so I just put this back in place just to show. I know there's videos out on that, and I'm no expert, but once you take the screws off and then a couple of screws in the bottom, this slides off, and you're left with that. And these pins go in the hole that hold the A-arm in place, and then you just got to pull them out. You might have to use some pliers. I didn't. So when the A-arms are here, you pull that pin out, you drop it, and then there's one screw that goes here that holds this in place. You unscrew that and you take the pin out. So it's this one screw here goes in through the side, and it holds the A-arm right here in place right there. So you remove the two pins and it comes off. So let me get started on that, putting stuff back together, cleaning it up, and I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I got one A-arm put in. I'm doing this handheld, so I won't be able to do it perfectly, but one's marked left and one's marked right. So, and that has the little indentation here that goes under. So all it is this goes back into place. It goes in here, and then these long pins go in and they hold this in place. And then on the front, same way, this goes in here, and then you have the shorter screw which goes in. It'll be on the back side where the screw goes in into the pin, and it holds this arm into place. And then that's it. And then you put the shocks back. The shocks, everything goes back into place. It doesn't take that long. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble these. There's plenty of videos out there. These guys, they know how to do this, and they got the camera set up, and they could show you step by step. But this is it. I had the blue because my Rustler's blue and red actually. So let me go ahead and install these, and I'll be back when it's done. All right, I just wanted to show this part. So once you push this into place and you get the pin in, you might have to tap. That's what I did, is just tap it so it'll get in. And then, let's see, in here you just have to make sure that this is lined up so that the pin can go all the way through. So you just have to adjust it little by little, up or down, and keep tapping that until it goes all the way in. And as I said, on this side, once you tap that in, this side, let me twist this around on this side. It'd be nice maybe if I got a car stand. It goes in right there, it just pushes in, and you have to make sure that that's straight. And then you just screw the pin into place. So Let me go ahead and get that done. All right, I got all the A-arms put in. Now I'm doing is replacing the hex nuts. Replacing the plastic ones, and then these here have a little screw that go in to tighten the hub into place. So once you got it over the hub there, you just tighten it up so it doesn't slide out. See? So it doesn't slide out. It just keeps it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and here's the pin. Hold on, here's the pin. And then you take these right here, slide it over. When it locks in place, then you put that screw in. That's how that goes. And then it tightens the hub, this nut, onto the drive shaft. It's pretty good. So let me go ahead and finish that up. So one thing I noticed while working on my car, oh, these nuts also actually come with a little Allen wrench. But what I'm gonna do is order a car stand, because this sucks, to be honest. Car stand where you could swivel. So I do intend on buying that, and then I'll do a review on it. So let me go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so before I put the body on, I did line the inside with white duct tape. I've seen people do it in clear, but I didn't have any clear. And so it protects the tires from rubbing through underneath and scarring the top up, even though as many times as you flip this vehicle, it's going to get scuffed up anyway. But it also adds a little bit of rigidity. So let me slap this on and let's have a look at it. Alright, so here it is, a completed Rustler with the blue arms. The shock caps, you can't really see them, so it's not that big of a deal. But that's it. And they also have the new Traxxas 6-pack tires. So things looks actually mighty sweet. So thanks for watching Villa Media Productions.